So hey guys, once again welcome back to my channel. My name is Anis Mukadam and you're watching AM Vlogs. So today's video is gonna be totally different from my other videos. तो आज मैं आया हूँ यहाँ पे Dream True which is about the gold and silver, and आज हमारे साथ हमारे दोस्त है जिनको बहुत सारी नॉलेज है इस फील्ड के बारे में अबाउट द सिल्वर एंड द गोल्ड. मीट माय फ्रेंड शगुफ्ता एंड अ सब्सक्राइबर एज वेल. तो थैंक यू सो मच. हाय हाय बोल दो हमारे सब्सक्राइबर्स को.
हाय एवरीवन.
सो आज हम लोग जाने वाले इसी शॉप में और सब चेक करने वाले डिटेल्स. ओके फाइन, लेट्स गो. तो अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे शॉप के अंदर आ चुके हैं और जैसे कि आपको ये पूरा दिख रहा होगा. सो हम लोग पूछने वाले, एक्चुअली मैं नहीं पूछने वाला, दैट विल बी शगुफ्ता विल बी आस्किंग शॉपकीपर व्हाट इज द प्राइस एंड ऑल दिस स्टफ्स. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द वीडियो. So what is this? It's a bracelet, huh?
Yeah, it is similar bracelet which I am wearing.
Okay.
ये काफ़ी खूबसूरत लगती है ये डिज़ाइन. ब्रेसलेट का नाम क्या है? Cartier.
Cartier. What does that mean? Cartier means?
Cartier is a brand, a very famous jewelry brand.
Okay.
This bracelet is one of the famous from Cartier.
They have different variety of the bracelets over
So
here.
this can go for the male, this is for the female. You can just make a pairing and you can just gift someone if you want to gift a couple. आप इसका मुझे ग्राम वेट बता देंगे?
13 ग्राम है.
Okay.
This one 34.7.
Okay. This is approximately 13 gram, 13, and this is around 34-35, between 34 and 35 grams.
Okay.
तो आप इसका प्राइस बता सकते हैं? So ये आता है हमें 225 में और ये आता है हमें 87 में. तो
87 dirham.
तो अराउंड 313 में आप एक बहुत ही प्यारा ब्रेसलेट का सेट अपने किसी फ्रेंड को या कपल को गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं, which they can for them forever.
It's very nice.
और
We'll
अपने-
check another things as well.
इसमें देखिए प्यारे प्यारे these all are
This
bracelets. लेडीज ब्रेसलेट्स. ये चेन बहुत बारीकी से बनाई जाती है, हैंडमेड होती है और इसे बनाने के लिए काफ़ी कारीगरी लगती है. ये बहुत कम लोगों के पास ये नॉलेज होता है या ये आर्ट होता है. तो इसमें ये मोतियाँ, गोल्ड और सिल्वर की मोतियाँ जुड़ी हुई है और ये डायमंड पीस भी है, आप देख सकते हैं. ये डायमंड में पिरो सेटिंग है, पावे सेटिंग. व्हेन यू वेयर इट गिव्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल लुक. ये भी मैश चेन ही होती है. ये चेन्स बहुत डेलिकेटली बहुत कम लोगों के पास बनती है ये वाली चेन. अगर आप ये देखें तो ये आप यकीन भी नहीं करोगे, एक पीस में बनाया हुआ है. एंड इसकी
Seriously?
फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी आप देखिए.
Wow. एक पीस में बनाई हुई है.
बिकॉज ये काफ़ी सॉफ्टली फ्लेक्सिबल है, हम ब्रेसलेट की तरह भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
और इसकी डिज़ाइन बहुत ही फिलीगिरी काम बहुत ही बारीकी से किया गया है. बहुत महीन काम है. आप इसे मुझे वेट करके प्राइस बताएंगे?
5 ग्राम.
ओनली 5 ग्राम. कैन यू इमेजिन सच अ बिग पीस?
5 gram.
Yeah.
And it looks good, you know.
It's coming in 75 dirham. Only 5 gram and it is very light and delicate. You can feel its delicacy and design as well. ये बहुत महीन काम है जो कि देखने में भी बहुत सुंदर और प्यारा लग रहा है. This all comes in that mesh collection. ये रिंग के साथ है. इसको आप ब्रेसलेट and as a there is one ring also. You can check this. This is very good.
Okay.
This is known as a tennis bracelet.
Okay.
So this टेनिस प्लेयर के नाम से ये टेनिस ब्रेसलेट बनता है.
Okay. Okay. So what you saw right now was bracelets. Now we are going to the ring side. As you can see over
मेंस
here,
रिंग निकालिए.
there are many types of the rings over here.
So these are men's ring. Some of them are with stones, some of them are without stones. Here we comes to women's ring. Very beautiful design, as you can see.
This is unisex.
Unisex and
Okay.
it's only like a ring. For an example, if I take this one, these are only plain rings. You'll see.
So what will be the cost of these rings?
Yeah.
This is 385 gram. No?
Yeah, 3.85 gram.
3.85.
This one only 45.
45.
45. Okay.
That's cool.
And ये सिल्वर कौन सा है? 975,
925.
925.
Italian.
Okay, Italian silver.
Okay, there are types in the silvers as well?
Yeah, there are two types. Like one is 1925 and 1975. 975 is the more pure. 925 is little bit lesser, but in Italy we use 925 more.
So there are difference between these two rings?
No, these all are simple bands.
Okay.
These are for this one is for black eye. Nowadays it is very much in trend.
Yeah.
Black eye rings. So this we did some of them. This one is diamond rings. You can see very beautiful design with studded diamonds. power setting, and you can have a look at the design as par with the gold and very delicately and beautifully made handmade design. When you
So
come here,
what is the cost of this?
This one is 80 dirham.
80 dirham. और इसमें
80
डायमंड कौन से लगे हैं?
ये zircon stone है, cubic zircon.
Cubic
Same like a
zircon.
diamond fixing.
Okay, you can have a look.
Cubic zircon.
Yeah.
Yeah, cubic zircon.
This
60
one is
dirham.
60
Yes.
dirham.
It is cheap, or what do you think?
It is
Shagusta?
very good rates they are giving for.
This will be as per your experience because
Yeah,
I don't
rates
have
are
any
quite
knowledge about it.
reasonable because I am normally buying.
Mhm.
I don't wear so much, but I have a habit of buying jewelry.
Okay,
And
that's
I'm
cool.
into jewelry, so I know how the making goes, how the
Okay,
things
that's
goes.
good.
So this
Okay,
one,
in a simple way, like these are the old rings. What will be the rates on this?
This one 45 dirham starting price.
Okay, 45 till what? What will be the end price?
80, 80.
80,
Okay,
85.
so
This
this
one, like
this
this model.
packet what you're seeing right now, it's
Yeah.
like starting from 45 to 80 dirham,
Yeah,
right?
80.
Yeah.
Okay, and what about this one? So you have these two separate rings,
Yeah.
this one and that one.
Yeah,
Carved.
Okay,
This one 85.
so as you can see, this one which is
Lion
85.
face.
Can you hold this? This one for 85 dirham, and this is also same, right?
Yeah, almost
In
the
this
same
one
price.
we have
almost the same.
elephants in this.
Yeah.
You can have a look.
Yeah, there are elephants in that.
It is very beautifully made, and
Yes.
price is very reasonable here, Anis. I must tell you.
Okay.
This is a silver plus gold plate.
And here you can see it is silver ring, but it doesn't look like silver.
Okay.
It looks like
Silver
gold,
with gold plating.
plated, and plating is done very finely.
Okay.
It doesn't look like difference between gold, real gold and silver.
This one
Okay.
oxidized the polished one.
The now one I'm showing you just now is oxidized polish.
Mm-hmm.
It is very trendy now. Youngsters normally really like this.
Yes.
Almost
basket.
40 dirham starting, 45 dirham starting price.
Okay.
And 80.
So
80.
both are almost same.
Yeah,
Yeah,
both
almost
are
same.
Okay.
same
45
range.
to 80. All right. We'll go for the next one. As you can see,
starting
there are a lot
price.
of designs over here.
Yeah,
if
that's
you can
lightweight like this.
This is the lightest.
take- Mhm. This is lightest. What will be the cost of that?
It's around 40-45. So this is the heaviest amount. This comes to 80-85 something.
80, 85. Huh?
Yeah.
This one also same.
These all
Same.
are same range. Only the making and designs are different.
Yeah.
You can see this is emerald look. It is
This is
studied as a
zircon,
Tiffany setting. You can see if you note down the prong, there is a cute little diamond inside. Can you see the prong which are holding the big stone?
Mhm.
Even have a diamond. That's cutest making, which we hardly get to see this type of designs. This is a real emerald made for
We
one
make it
customer.
all rings.
Okay.
Which model you want, we will
Okay.
make it.
They will
This
make
almost-
whatever design you want from any brochure, any catalog. They will
Yeah.
just make it and give us.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one coming almost at 300 dirham.
Okay, because of emerald.
Yeah, Maharashtra.
This is as per the client, right?
Yeah, that is
Okay.
client.
These three packets which I see right now are
All
almost the same.
nice ring.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll pick only one ring from this.
So we will take the heaviest
Oh,
one and
and,
then
something
the
is written in
carving is
Arabic.
yeah, that's what I like.
But it's look very nice.
Just keep it down. You can see this carving.
Yeah.
This is one of the finest piece, like royal rich piece.
So what will be the cost of this?
This one coming.
So every time they have to check the weight, and as per that they have to tell the price.
Yeah, and rate also fluctuate by the price, current price. Today's gold and diamond.
This one almost
Silver
160. Like
Oh.
that. 160, 150, 160.
160 dirham.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now,
65 dirham starting price coming.
okay, 65 starting.
60, 65 dirham.
60, 65 dirham. Okay,
And up
and,
to
and still
almost
what?
180, 190.
190.
180, 190.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This
So-
one
all the
exclusive items like
Okay,
this.
these
model.
are the
That's
exclusive items.
This is a watch type.
So
Okay,
as you can
it's like-
see, they are like tiny watches, something like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, it
This
looks
is made
good. Yeah.
like, and it is flexible as well, like watch band you can see,
Yeah.
Mhm.
and you can wear it.
The same like a diamond fixing.
Okay.
That's cool. That's cool. What will be the price of this?
It's starting coming 90 dirham.
90 dirham. And what will be the
It's a
highest?
120, 150 maximum.
150. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we have done with the rings now. We'll
Yeah.
come with the necklace. See the reason why I'm telling you because मैं उतनी बड़ी वीडियो में नहीं बनाना चाहता. In simple way मैं आपको एक वीडियो ये प्रेजेंट करना चाहता हूँ. कभी भी आप यहाँ पे शॉप में आते हो तो you can buy it from here और उनका व्हाट्सएप नंबर मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है, यू कैन चेक इट आउट। वहाँ से आप उनको मैसेज करके आप चेक कर सकते हो कौन सा अवेलेबल है, कौन सा अवेलेबल नहीं है। सो यहाँ पे हम लोग ने नेकलेस रखे हुए हैं, सो विल चेक आउट द नेकलेस प्राइसेस। वी हैव द चीपेस्ट वन ओवर हियर। व्हाट इज द प्राइस ऑफ दिस?
This one 90.
90
57
gram.
grams.
What is the material used? Can you explain please?
Can you see this setting, diamond setting,
Yeah.
and this tiny, very beautiful chain which we hardly get. It is Italian chain. Okay.
That's cool.
Earrings and pendants is known as a half set. Earrings you can see prong setting diamonds. They use zircon diamonds,
Okay.
which is quite a big of size, like around 1 carat diamond. You can see.
We'll move on to another one.
Yeah, here you can see with green color stones. This weight is around 14 grams. See this, we have 2 earrings.
So this one is for 250 dirham.
We get pendant.
Okay.
Beautiful, cute earrings. This is zircon stone again, but it gives quite a cute look to the earring. It's very good price because we get 2 earrings, pendant and ring.
Okay. All right. So we'll go for the
Here
next
comes with the meenakari. Can you see this colors? Gives a look like mother pearl. This is just a color
Okay.
with a beautiful chain and ring as well as earring. You know, it can go with Indo-Western dresses.
one.
You can wear with anything.
100 gram.
96
Okay.
grams.
Okay. What is the cost of that?
Beautiful set in 390.
So we'll go for the next one as well now.
Here we come with the very heavy jewelry. One
And-
of the finest bridal set you can say. Your bride can wear on the wedding or next day or before day. This is, and bride's friends can also wear. This is really
So-
very good.
They have the ring. They have the
Bracelet,
They have the
neck
necklace
piece.
and the earrings.
Yeah, this comes around
Set.
750.
Hi, madam.
750 dirham.
Yes.
What will be the weight of this now?
See, these things we don't go with the weight, as it is very trendy, very exclusive piece. We
Okay.
go as per the piece and not the weight.
Okay.
You cannot just calculate the piece with the weight and give the price, because the setting is all different. Very hard work in this kind of fine setting.
Okay.
And beautiful. You can have a look. Can you see this?
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
And the thing is, the back side is properly managed. This known as Omega clasp,
Okay.
which is really beautiful. I mean, which is very comfort.
So we already checked from the lowest to the highest in the necklace, which is the silver. Rather than this, so they have a lot of necklace over here in the display right now. So if you want to check, you can contact them on the WhatsApp number as well. Now we'll move on to gold. Put the necklace over here. So we have different varieties. We have kept it over here. So can you please explain, Shagufta, what is the material used for this?
This is actually brass on which we have done plating. As you can see the designs, it is very cute.
Okay.
And this is only for 100.
100 dirham.
Yeah, it is
Wow.
in this shop. I have really fine jewelry, very reasonable price.
Okay.
Fit
So
to a
you
pocket.
get earrings as well on
Yeah,
with that.
earrings
So this is
and-
the full pack of 100 dirham.
Yes,
Wow, that's cool.
it's really very cool. Even I came across very first time.
So we'll go for the another one. This is for 100 dirham. Even I am shocked.
This one again is for 250. The work filigree is very cute.
It's very
Okay,
well.
we have matte finish as well as cut work. The design goes very well with the earring as well. It is matching. When
Okay. Exactly. This is gold or what?
No,
It's
this
plate-
is not gold. This is brass.
Okay.
The base metal is brass, and on which they have done 24 karat polishing.
Okay.
So the rhodium finish comes very nice, and the delicacy is the designs.
Okay. And what is the cost of
The
this?
cost for 260, I guess.
260.
Yeah.
Alright. You can see the price. It's 260 only.
Only.
It's
That's
so cheap.
very cheap here.
So we'll go for the another one.
You can give to your bride also.
Mm-hmm.
And this is a bridal set which is very beautiful.
Okay. And what is the
this-
cost of this?
The set with the earring necklace is 260. That's the cost for ring is 90.
90 dirham.
Yeah, 370 you get a really very good quality.
Yeah, 370.
The
Right.
best of the best product.
Okay.
You can see.
So
This is
I
again
think
for
I can
290.
see the price of 290 dirham over here.
Yeah,
and they
you
have
can
the same
have a look.
over here. It looks more beautiful than the previous one what I saw.
See, if you compare, each and every piece is unique in itself.
Yeah. So we have another one. What's the cost of this? And what is this materials?
Material is everywhere. Brass, on brass we used normal gold plating.
Okay.
In this we used a dull finish which gives a look of temple jewelry. Goes with any color because the gold polish is done in such a way it can get melt with any color.
We'll go for the highest one.
See, right now I'm checking this one. This is simply very big necklace. I'll just wear it and show you.
Okay. And as well as we get the rings, the ring also matching with the necklace.
Yeah, earrings.
Earrings also we have over here. We basically get a set over here.
Yeah.
So what do you have over here? This one.
This one is bangle, comes kada you can say,
So
the
we
similar
have
kind.
similar kind of.
So you have to open it from here and wear it. For me it will go automatically because I'm very tiny and so you can just have a
So
look.
what is the cost of this single piece?
It is only 230 dirham.
Okay.
It is quite heavy and beautifully made as you can see.
So what is the cost of this full set?
350.
Little discount.
This along with this?
No.
No, that is different.
This is
huh?
around 300, 350.
So total it will go for 700.
Yeah, 750. But you, if you come here, you can choose your style and you can be negotiating with the people here. They are very sweet to negotiate. I just bought
Okay.
couple of pieces.
So what basically, if you come from my channel, will they be able to get the discount? So I don't know how much discount it will be, but अगर मेरे चैनल से आप रेफरेंस से आते हो, you may get some discount as well. So she has bought something. We'll check at the end. So we'll go for the Mangal Sutra over here.
Okay, we have 3 varieties of beautiful Mangal Sutra set.
Okay.
See, the same Mangal Sutra design we have in 3 different varieties. You can see the design is similar.
Okay.
But
So
you
this
can-
is the full set, or they have the
No,
different
nothing
type?
like that. We have different sizes you can
Okay.
see.
Okay.
You can buy these or all together, and whenever you want different occasion, you can wear
Okay.
different design. Like for office going, you can wear this. For some party or where you can, or anything like that, you can wear this. For
Okay.
some family function,
So what will be the cost of this 1, 2, 3?
all 3 are for 250.
Okay. Check the another one, which is lowest price in that.
This is black bead. You can see it is bigger than the other one. The whole Mangal Sutra you get in 65 dirham only.
Okay.
Yeah, this both comes in 65 range.
65. Okay. This is the lowest cost over here. So we have the third one.
See, if you don't wear any other jewelry for the function or family gathering, you can just wear this Mangal Sutra and just get ready to go. This is lengthwise also very big.
Mm-hmm.
And this
So what is the
comes
cost of this?
380.
380 dirham. So we have the bangles over here.
Bangles and karas.
Okay. So what is the material used in this? Same.
Yeah, it is same brass and which we used a good quality polishing in gold.
Okay.
In this we use tiny square shaped diamonds.
Okay.
Square shaped color stones. It's again party wear, bridal wear.
So what is the cost of that?
It's about 390.
390. This one.
Yeah.
What is your experience? It is low or the highest cost?
It is very reasonable, I can
Very
say. It
reasonable.
is very cheap, I can say.
If we get into India, what will be the cost of this?
To be very honest, I don't know Indians because I haven't seen this kind of designs in India.
Okay.
The design is typically different and the common use.
Okay.
Here you can get a very trendy and beautiful designs.
Okay. Okay, no problem. So we'll go for the karas over here. What is the cost of that karas?
How much?
150.
150 both.
Both. This both is for 150.
Both for 150.
Yeah. So one is for around 75.
The quality might get a little bit decreased because I'm shooting with the mobile phone because my camera has gone low right now. So what is this now?
This is the bangle again.
Okay.
Bangle come kara because this have a lock here.
Also, what will be the cost of this?
Only 300 for 2.
Okay, 300 for 2. Wow, that's nice. We have the another set over here. It's also the same compared to this one?
Yeah, it's similar design.
Okay, but so shiny. So what will be the cost of that?
This one is again 365.
365.
Yeah, and this one is for 390.
390,
Because we
okay.
have used stones here.
I need to take it for my wife.
Please take it, sir.
Rather than this, they have the gold
Bracelet.
bracelets over here. Can you pick this one, the stone one?
This one?
The stone one.
Oh, that's beautiful.
So what will be the cost of this?
This they are selling for 30.
Okay.
This is a very cute bracelet.
Only for 30. Wow,
Yeah,
that's
it's
really
amazing, yeah.
nice. Yeah.
I mean, we
That's
can't
very
guess. This
30,
all is for
40.
30, 40 only.
If you want to contact this shop, if you want to know about anything, any bracelets or any necklace, so you can contact them. The number is in description below. This is what my setup look like right now because this camera battery is totally drained out and we are shooting with the mobile phone. क्या है ये सब?
पायल है ये।
Okay.
ये बच्चों के लिए भी है और बड़ों के लिए भी है। डिफरेंट डिजाइन है, जैसे कि ये डिजाइन आप देख सकते हो।
Okay. What is the cost of this?
ये 50 dirham.
50 dirham. Okay.
For a pair.
This is all handmade, huh?
This is all handmade by them only.
Okay.
In matching you can have chains also.
What is this?
Chain.
And what is the price of this?
50, same price.
Same
50.
price.
Okay. Okay. So we have completed with this. Now we'll go for the earrings. We'll check some of the earrings from here and then we'll end up the video.
This is earrings with
Beautiful.
the stone which you can wear. It is very trendy and looks very beautiful. It's not traditional earring. Here we get all the kind of earring. Like here, you can see this earring is very traditional.
Okay.
You can wear on Indian traditional outfit.
Okay.
This can go with very modern outfit as well.
What is the cost of this now?
These all are between 30 to 60, 70 like that.
Okay.
I really like this one. Can you see?
That looks beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah.
There are small diamonds in it, right?
Yeah, these are diamonds. The drop shape is having diamonds. Here there is a diamonds. Here there is a diamond.
Okay. That's cool.
These are small, cute little jhumka.
Wow.
Kids wear it really, really nicely. They loved it like
Okay.
anything.
So I think we have done with this now, and they have a lot of varieties over here. So they have the bangles, they have the earrings, they have the watches as well. So they have something new over here. What is this?
Bangle.
This is bangle and looks. Thank you so much, Shagufta, for coming here and giving a lot of information about the gold and the silver as well. So you had a lot of experience in this field. So that's the reason why I invited you to come here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anis. Thanks a lot. I got this very beautiful anklet.
Oh, okay.
as a
Wow,
gift
that's very nice.
from this shop. I'm really very overwhelmed.
What is that actually?
This is anklet, and I'm really loving it.
थैंक यू सो मच भाई. आपका नाम क्या है? मुरली. एंड आपका? जिनेश. ओके, सो मुरली भाई एंड जिनेश भाई यहाँ पे शॉप पे रहेंगे. आपको कभी भी आना है तो इनसे आप मिल सकते हो. एंड इनका व्हाट्सएप नंबर मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाला हुआ है, जाके आप चेक कर सकते हो. एंड आपको कुछ भी ये शॉप से चाहिए, यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट देम एंड यू कैन टेक द प्राइस एज वेल. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. आपने देखे गोल्ड और सिल्वर. एंड थैंक यू शगुफ्ता फॉर कमिंग हियर. पूरा जो एक्सपीरियंस के हिसाब से जितना भी इन्फॉर्मेशन था उन्होंने दिए. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग. सो दैट्स इट फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो. आई होप यू हैव एंजॉयड दिस वीडियो. इफ यू डिड, डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक बटन, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब को जो करना है कर सकते हो. मिलते हैं अभी अपन नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए शुक्रन. मा सलामा या हबीबी.
Baby.